If you are an internationally qualified physiotherapist planning to sit the Australian Physiotherapy Entry Pathway APEP exam, the biggest mistake you can make is walking in unprepared. So let me walk you through exactly how to prepare stage by stage. But before we get into the details, welcome to MedCare by Academically, your one-stop solution to find healthcare jobs around the world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get regular updates. Now, APEP has 4 stages: the cultural safety training, the written assessment, the capability assessment, and the clinical workshop. And here's the best part: you only need to travel to Australia for the clinical workshop. The rest you can complete from your own home country. Let's start with the cultural safety training. This is an online training on working respectfully with Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples. Along with the cultural safety training, you also need your eligibility assessment done, and then you will receive your interim certificate. Once you have got your interim certificate, the next step is the written assessment. This is a multiple choice exam held 4 times a year, and it's where you need to put in the most hard work. The key to cracking it is timed practice. Get into the habit of answering clinical conditions under exam conditions. No breaks, no distractions. Focus your revision on musculoskeletal, neurology, and cardiorespiratory physiotherapy. Those 3 areas cover the bulk of what you will face. Once you are through the written, you hit the capability assessment. It's a 90-minute live video call where you talk through clinical scenarios with an Australian physiotherapist. Yes, it's an open book exam, but you genuinely don't have time to look up everything. Your reasoning needs to be already sharp. The best way to prepare? Practice out loud regularly with a study partner or in front of a mirror. Pick a case, talk through your assessment and management plan, and get comfortable articulating your thinking. Do this every week leading up to your capability assessment exam. Then, finally, the clinical workshop, a full-day hands-on workshop in Melbourne. By this stage, you are close to the finish line. Make sure your practical skills are fresh, including neurological handling, musculoskeletal examination, and cardiorespiratory assessment. Walk in ready to demonstrate, not just discuss. And yes, one last tip. There are plenty of study materials available online, but not all of them are reliable. Make sure you are studying from APC-approved resources only. The wrong materials can seriously mislead your preparation. That's why we would recommend joining Academically's APEP written assessment and capability assessment preparation courses and our Discord communities, where you get access to an alumni network of physios who have already cleared the APEP and are now practicing in Australia. Plus, our faculties are APC qualified themselves, so you are learning from people who have been through the exact same journey and know what it takes to pass. You can also join Academically's APEP preparation course, where you will get all the resources plus personalized guidance to crack this exam in the first attempt. So, the tip is start early, stay consistent, and use the right resources. You have got this, and MedCare by Academically is here at every step of the way. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow physios who are in the same journey. And if you have questions about APEP or any other healthcare pathway, drop them in the comments. We read every single one. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.